guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well. So today's video is talking about supplies. A lot of artists that paint with oils use very hard brushes. They've got like white bristles on them. I don't like them. These are my main brushes. I bought this. This was actually bought from an art exhibition. The holder, so I can't tell you where that's from. All I can tell you is it's from Pro Art. That's it. I have a lot of Rowney brushes. These are probably one of my most used brushes, and they are a Rowney System 3 filbert brush, and I believe these are around a £3 mark. These are Boldmere, which are extremely affordable, but they are more of a watercolor brush. Once you start going on that tooth of that canvas, the brush will start to buckle and move around. I would suggest the Graduate and the System 3. You can get them in sets as well, so depending on what sort of painting you're doing, they do come in sort of like sets of 3 or 4 brushes, which is really useful. The blue ones are Royal Lanica, which do really good brushes actually, and they do come in sets as well. These are actually watercolor brushes, and you can see they're just super soft. Most of my brushes that I use are really soft, to be fair. If you want to try working with a palette knife, you can try the plastic ones. I think you'll find a set of 3 or 4 for a few quid in your craft store. So this has been my palette since day one, and you can tell it's got so much wastage on it. It really makes me angry. I work mainly out of the tube, and the reason for that is I hate wastage, and I find that I waste a lot of paint because I will flip between paintings, so some paint on the palette won't get used for days, and then it'll dry up, and the paint does stay wet inside. It like creates an outer skin that protects the inside of the paint. However, eventually that will dry up, so if you forget about it, which I sort of do. And I've got these plastic sheets as well that have got like a coating on them, so the oil paint doesn't sink into the paper. And these are really good if you're out and about and you want to do some painting in like parks or anything, so they can just be used and thrown away. I'm not going to encourage you to buy products on a budget and then put half of it on a palette and waste it, so just be wary of that. Although when you are mixing colours, a palette is a really good thing to use and a good thing to have. I think this was about £3 from the works. It wasn't expensive. I wanted to keep this video quite snappy because no one wants to listen to me talking for ages. I mean, I'm running out of breath.